The handsome sunbird is found only in the Philippines. It is one of the smallest sunbirds in the Philippines. Handsome songbirds inhabit subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests and subtropical or tropical moist mountain habitat. They may be seen singly or in pairs frequenting flowering and fruiting trees. About 254 millimeters total length, they feed on nectar as well as small insects. The spotted wood kingfisher is endemic to the Philippines, widespread in Luzon, Panay, Negros, Marinduque, and Catanduanes. It inhabits subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests, perches motionless in dark recesses. It measures around 254 millimeters long. The spotted wood kingfisher is classified as least concern. The yellow-throated leafbird is a small bird endemic to the Palawan and the Calamian group in the Philippines. It commonly inhabits forest edge, and scrub. With a distinctive green color, it measures to about 15.8 to 17.2 centimeters long. It has pointed slender bill, yellow throat, broad wings, and long dull blue tail. Feeds on fruits and seeds. The yellow-throated leafbird is classified as least concern. The Luzon Bleeding-heart, known for the splash of vivid red color at the heart of their white breasts, is a ground dove endemic to the central and southern parts of Luzon and Palawan Islands, in the Philippines. This species is found in lowland forest. Generally slate gray in color, it measures about 25 centimeters long and weighs about 150 to 200 grams. It has a round body, black bill, a short tail and long red legs. It feeds primarily on seeds, pollen berries, grubs, insects, and worms. The species is threatened by habitat loss and rampant hunting. The Luzon Bleeding-heart is classified as near threatened. The yellow-breasted fruit dove, locally called punay, is one of the 5 endemic fruit doves endemic to the Philippines. This colorful dove is widespread over the country except the Palawan region. This species inhabit lowland and mid-elevation forests and are seen singly or in pairs. Generally, yellow-breasted fruit dove are frugivorous. Adults reach 28 to 33 centimeters in length and weigh about 204 to 278 grams. The species is not globally threatened. The red-vented cockatoo, popularly known as the Philippine cockatoo, is a critically endangered bird native to the Philippines. Its natural habitat includes mangrove forests, lowlands, forest edges, and riverine. The cattle, as it is locally called, measures about 33 centimeters in length with an 8.6-inch wingspan and weighs 0.29 kilograms. It is easily recognized by its all-white plumage and by the red feathers around the vent. The highly social species, they can be seen in groups of up to 30 or more. It feeds on the seeds and fruits of wild trees. The red-vented cockatoo is classified critically endangered due to habitat loss and rampant poaching. The Palawan Peacock-Pheasant is a medium-sized bird found only in the humid forests of Palawan and southern Philippines. It inhabits primary and secondary forest. The species is known for the male's distinctive high-pointed crest, a white stripe over the eyes, and vibrant plumage. The tail feathers are marked with 2 sets of large and striking green-blue ocelli. Adult males measure about 50 centimeters long. Females are smaller, and typically brown in color. An omnivore, it feeds on seeds, nuts, small fruits, insects, and other invertebrates. The Palawan Peacock-Pheasant is classified by the IUCN as vulnerable. The Philippine eagle, considered the world's largest eagle, is an endangered eagle endemic to forests in the Philippines. This imposing raptor can be found on 4 major islands: eastern Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao. It inhabits in dipterocarp and mid-montane forests at elevations of over 1,800 meters. It has brown and white-colored plumage, a distinctive shaggy crest, bluish bill, yellow feet, and dark brown tail with blackish bars and a white tip. Locally called harabin, adult males generally measure 86 to 102 centimeters long with a wingspan of 2 meters and weighs 4.78 kilograms. It feeds on monkeys, wildcats, large snakes, flying lemurs, and hornbills. Life expectancy is about 30 to 60 years. In 2010, the IUCN and BirdLife International listed this species as critically endangered. Philippine Eagle-Owl is any of two species of bird belonging to the Strigidae family. Locally known as the kawago or bukeo, it is found in forest edges near streams on the islands of Bohol, Caden Plains, Leyte, Luzon, Mindanao, and Samar. The largest owl in the Philippines, it measures about 40 to 50 centimeters and a wingspan of about 35 centimeters. The plumage is overall rufous colored. It has dark brown wings and tail, small slanting ear tufts and yellow eyes. The Rufous hornbill, also known as Philippine hornbill, is the biggest of all Philippine hornbills. Its population occurs in 11 islands: Biliran, Bohol, Buad, Calicoan, Dinagat, Leyte, Luzon, Marinduque, Mindanao, Samar, and Siargao. Locally known as Kala, this species inhabit primary evergreen forests up to 2,100 meters. It has a remarkable bright red-orange down-curved beak and casque. Plumage is black and brown with white tail. Adults can reach up to 30 inches long. It feeds on berries, fruits, insects as well as decaying flesh. This species is being listed by the IUCN and BirdLife International as critically endangered.